Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you on how to add caption or subtitle to your video in Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do, like for instance, this particular clip right here, let's play. You can see this video here has no caption or subtitle. How do we add it in Filmora? First thing first, go ahead and select on the clip and right click on it. The next thing you want to do is navigate to AI translation. Go ahead and click on that. And this is going to pop up right here. And then before you can use these features, you need to make sure you log in into your Filmora video editing software. Once you log in with your Filmora username and password, you will be given instantly of 100 credits that you can use to generate some of this stuff because it's an AI. Once you are accepted with the 100 credits, you can go ahead and buy new credits. So let's see. So next thing we want to do right here is to translation type. You have to choose your translation type right here. So right here, I need only translate captions, which means that the video, when I talk, it translates just like so. So what we want to do here now is to select source language. The source language is the language you spoke when you are trying to create the video. So go ahead and click on source language. So I speak English, United States English right here. Then target language, click on here what language you want to have as your captions. I can decide to make it French, or better still, I can decide to make it German. So now this particular features here is going to consume about 5 credits. So if I minus 5 credits from 68 I have, I'm going to be left with 63 credits. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure that automatic is checked. Then come down below right here and click on generate. And it's going to take you right here. So successfully generate the caption, so you can see it on the video right here. So this is the caption layer right here. So by the time we play the video, it's going to, so we have the caption editor right here. So then we have all the text right here. So in case you want to edit text right here, you have everything right here. So you want to add a customization, then you have color fill right here. You can decide to color fill just like so. You have the gradient right here. You can decide to leave it in color fill. Then you can come to effect right here and use different type of effect. Then opacity, then you can add blur. Then outline color, you can change your outline color right there. You can add outline color. This will make the text more visible. So you can change the outline color right here. And as the case may be, you can turn down the outline color opacity as much as possible right here. Then come down to shadow right here. You can add shadow, work on the opacity of the shadow. Then the background, if you would like to give the subtitle a background, you can turn on background. Then you can change the background color from different color that you have in Filmora right here, just like what you see right here. So I'm going to go back to outline right here. So I'm going to change the outline color to something like this. I'm not satisfied with that. So I'm going to put it back to black. Then we can work on the opacity, radius, and the spread of the background right here. Everything depends on what we want to achieve. So if you want to add animation, you have different types of animation templates that you can easily download and add it into the subtitles. So let me go ahead and try typewriter animation right here. So just click on download and then it's going to download. So you have it in the subtitles. So let's play. So if you are satisfied with it, then you can add icon right here, just like so. So let's go ahead and play it again. So you have the effects in that sections right there. So you can go on and walk back to subtitle right here. You can edit or you can add text, you can merge as the case may be. So once you are satisfied with everything here, go ahead and click on apply to all. So this will make the effect apply apply to all the translation. So just like so, you can see. So you can see everything here has been fully translated and subtitled into German language while I speak English language in Filmora video editing software. Go ahead and click on that. Then you have drag and drop here or up to 5. Go ahead and click on 5 right here. Here I have to install just like so. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on save right here, and it will take you back to the main video right here, just like what you see. So if we play it now, you have all the edits right here. So we have a subtitle translate right here. So I can double click again. This will bring out the editing tab for our subtitle. If you have any other thing that you want to work on as far as the subtitle is concerned, you can go on and edit and modify as much as possible and hit on save. When you are done, then you have it to go ahead. So you have it right here. So you have spoken in English, you have subtitle or caption in German language, fully translated using your Filmora video editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.